Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another quick recipe. This is very simple and I will say it is the most quickest recipe I have ever made. So let's make together this very delicious with just 2 ingredients. Oreo mug cake, which is again a TikTok recipe. So first of all, take a microwave safe mug, and in that mug we're gonna add some Oreos. So take a pack of Oreos. So now add Oreos to your mug. I started with 7 Oreos, but then I ended up adding some more. You can add as many as you want. Now add some milk. So add milk enough to cover the Oreos. That is also there's no measurement for the milk either. So now crush the Oreos with a fork enough that it will look something like this. You can see it's almost there. Now our cake batter is ready. As you can see, most of the Oreos have dissolved, and now we're gonna microwave it for 2 minutes and you will see the results. So our Oreo mug cake is ready. You can see it's fresh out of the microwave and it looks very good. Unbelievably, it was very good. So we'll do a test. As you can see, with just 2 ingredients, it looks like a cake and it turned out very good. Kids are gonna love it. You can make it very quickly in just 2 minutes and only 2 ingredients. So I really hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more of the TikTok videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.